Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to convert a small letter to capital letter to small letter, and first letter capital. Okay, here you will see I have written a product name, computer, mobile, understand, Excel, Microsoft new and contemporary. Okay, now first I will convert it into capital letter, then into a small letter, and then first letter capital. Okay, so capital letter is called uppercase in Excel and small letter is called lowercase in Excel. Okay, so first we will convert small letter to capital. So what you have to do, you have to equals to upper. Okay, then choose it, then what you have to bracket close. Okay, now we will drag this to the bottom and you will see all the letters will be converted into capital. Now if you want to convert it into small, equals to, then lower. Okay, then choose it. Okay, now just drag it to the bottom. Okay, now first, if for the first letter capital letter, what you have to do, equals to, then choose it, equals to, then proper. Okay, proper, then close. Now we will drag it to the bottom. Okay, so like this you can see you can convert all these things. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.